If you're interested to see what I do with this table mat, stay tuned. Back. So this is Miss V, and my channel focuses on ways to save money. If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. And if this content is something that you enjoy, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button. So my channel focuses on ways to save money, and I love this table runner that I purchased on clearance at Hobby Lobby. If you've been watching my channel, you've seen it in some table skates, but it's a little too glam for me sometimes. I don't like a lot of glitter, but I will use a little glitter. So I decided I may want a more less formal, if you will, table runner. So I looked on the back of the table runner and realized it had a plain finish, like just a brown finish. So I came up with this idea with the Dollar Tree table mats. Ta-da! So I cut this out, and well, I'm using some double-sided tape right now because I can't find my you know, the tape that you use to iron, to attach things with the iron. I got to find that tape. But anyway, for the sake of this video, I just went ahead and used some double-sided tape, and I pinned it down, because you may want this look, but you may not even want it to be permanent. So you just use some pins. So it's gonna drape over the table. I've already tried it out. Just put you some pins in there. Or if you want it to be permanent, you can glue it down. But I had decided if I wanted to be permanent, but I just like this style. So that's what I'm gonna be doing with this table mat. You thought I was gonna make some pillows, didn't you? Nope. Not in this video anyway. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this one out and put it on the other end. And next time you see this will be on my table as a runner. So I'm always looking for ways to save money. That's what my channel focuses on. I mean, I could have just went out and bought another table runner, but why? When I could just, I've already have the placemat. So I created me another table runner for $2 for each one of these mats, and I already had this, and see, I still can utilize that other side when I get ready. So I have a double-sided table runner. So if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Share this with your family and friends, someone who may be interested in this type of content. And this is Miss V. I'm going to continue to show you love. And I'm going to always help you save on some of the things you need to get some of the things you want. Thank you and have a nice day. See you in the next clip. This is the pattern once you cut it out, and I wasn't able to keep the stems. They were too thin. Once I cut them off, they just frayed from the fabric, so I left the stems. So this is it. Go ahead and attach this one to the other end. It's a nice pattern, right? It's nice and thick, like a tapestry. So that's it. This is the table runner. Getting ready for another table skate. So this is going to be a sneak peek. So this is how the runner looks. I'm liking it. As I stated earlier, I just pinned these pumpkins down with a pin until I can find my I don't know what you call it, bonding tape to actually attach it. I think I'm going to go ahead and attach it permanently because I like this, and I like the frayed edges, and I like the fact that it sits kind of high. It looks dimensional, so I like that. So I was originally going to put the pumpkins all the way at the end, but as you can see, this table runner does not drape far. It's not long enough, so I went ahead and put it at the end of the table. So I think that looks better, because if I would have put it at the end of the table runner, I didn't have enough space for it to drape completely over. So I chose to put it right here. So this is it. So this is a budget-friendly way to dress up a existing tablecloth that you have. I may get my a little lighter and clean those edges up. I think I will. Let me do that now and I'll be back. Okay, so I took this lighter, my candle lighter, and just burn the edges so it'll have a cleaner look. So this is it. This is my budget friendly money saving way to create a different table runner with an existing table runner. So when I get ready to be glam, I just flip it back over, and then when I'm ready to just be casual, I'll flip it on this side. So I have 2 runners in one, and I'm loving it. So as I said, I'm getting ready for another table scape. So you can see my little centerpiece here. So this is the other side. So this is it. This is Miss V. I'm going to go ahead and conclude this video. This is Miss V. I'm going to continue to show you love. And I'm going to help you save on some of the things you need to get some of the things you want. Let me know in the comment section if you're going to try something similar to this. Thank you and have a nice day.